大家好, I'm Yuki Yuen Z. Today we are going to make Cantonese meat sauce and egg rice bowl. It is a nostalgic comfort food for Hong Kong people. As an international city with flourishing Western and Chinese culture, the meat sauce is inspired by Bolognese and is modified by local chefs. Soy sauce is the soul of the sauce and the unique Asian flavor is loved by everyone. It is the best to enjoy it with hot rice. I will also show you guys how to cook rice using a pot on a stovetop. Let's check out the ingredients. First, marinate beef mince with seasonings. Give them a good stir. Then mince the garlic. Peel carrots and chop them into small pieces. Follow this to dice an onion easily. First, halve the onion. Make sure you keep the root side which keeps the onion together while you cut. Then, make some angle cuts toward the center. Pay attention not to cut the roots to keep the onion from falling apart. Finally, slice the onion and it will be evenly diced. If you angle cut all the onions before doing the final step, you can minimize your exposure to onion mist that makes you cry. Heat a pan over medium heat. When the onions look transparent, you can add carrot. Okay, let's make some space for the beef mince. Then you can add all the seasonings. Bring it to a boil, then switch to low heat and cover the lid. Let it stew for an hour. There are many types of rice in the supermarket, such as Italian risotto, Japanese short grain, or Thailand jasmine. Traditional Hong Kong dishes almost always use Thailand jasmine, which is softer and less chewy. About 120 ml of rice in volume will make one serving. This time we are making 2 servings, so we will use 240 ml of rice. You can always use a pot to cook rice if you do not have a dedicated rice cooker. Stick your fingertip right on the top of the rice. Add water until it hits just that first little knuckle. Bring it to a boil, then switch to low heat and cook for 15 minutes. Then turn the heat off and fluff the rice a little bit to redistribute the moisture. Cover the lid and let it rest for 15 minutes. When waiting for the meat sauce, you can prepare the flour slurry and pan-fry an egg. Taste it before you add any sugar or salt. Then add flour slurry to thicken the meat sauce. Finally, add green peas and the meat sauce is ready.